Children, today we are going to learn converse of basic proportionality theorem. This theorem states that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So now we are going to take a triangle ABC. We are going to draw a line DE such a way that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what given in the statement. We have to prove DE is parallel to BC. For that, we are going to assume another line DF parallel to BC. We are just assuming that DF is parallel to BC. And we have to prove that our assumption is wrong. Okay, now let us go to the proof. First, you have to write given. Given is a triangle ABC and a line DE intersecting AB at D and AC at E such that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what given in the statement. Now, what should we prove? To prove DE is parallel to BC. This is what we have to prove. So now we have to do a construction. That's what I told you. Construction is we are drawing DF parallel to BC. We are just assuming. Draw DF parallel to BC. Now let us go to the proof. Let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC. That means the first line what we drew is not parallel to BC. And the second line, that is DF, is parallel to BC. So we are assuming the first line is not parallel and the second line what we constructed is parallel. So now let us do this. Now we know DF is parallel to BC. We know very well when a line is parallel, they are divided in the same ratio, that is BPT theorem. So according to this BPT theorem, if DF is parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AF by FC by BPT theorem. According to the BPT theorem, this is what we do. This is the first equation. Now, it is already given in the statement that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. It is given. So, we have got two equations. Now, from this first and second equations, we get AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. Because one side AD by DB is same for both the equations. So, right hand side will be equal. Left hand side is equal for both the equations. So, right hand side will be equal for both the equations. So, AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. Now, we have to add 1 on both the sides of this equation. When we add 1, we get AF by FC plus 1 is equal to AE by EC plus 1. Now, when you take LCM, FC is the LCM. So, what happens? We get here 1 into FC. We get FC here. AF plus FC by FC is equal to AE plus EC by EC. When we add AF plus FC, it's nothing but AC. AC by FC. See the figure. AE plus EC is also AC from the figure by EC. So, now we know that numerators are same in both. And numerators both, numerators are equal in both, automatically the denominator is also equal. So we get, it implies FC is equal to EC. So now we have got FC is equal to EC. When does it happen? Only if this E and F is the same point. Only then we get both equal. This is possible only if E and F coincide. Coincide means it should be in the same point. So our assumption is wrong because E is equal to F. But we have taken E is different from F in the assumption. Now we have proved that the assumption is wrong because E is equal to F from this statement. So therefore DF is parallel to BC is not correct. What we assumed is not correct. So what is correct now? DE is parallel to BC. Hence proved. Thank you.